So you might have faced difficulties in setting new ringtone in the iPhone where you can only set the default ringtones that come with your iPhone. So in this video, let's see how to set a custom ringtone for your iPhone. So you would need an app called as GarageBand. If it's a new phone, it might be pre-installed, but if it's not installed on your phone, just go ahead to the App Store and download it. And also just download an MP3 version of the song that you want to use as a ringtone. So I already have this song preloaded on my phone. So if you tap on it, you can also hear how the audio sounds. So the step one is to go inside GarageBand, move to the right to the end and choose an audio recorder. Once opened the audio recorder, click on the timeline icon and your interface should change like this. Now click on this loop icon at the top right, which will open a file explorer where you can search for your files. Here you can switch to the Files tab instead of the Apple loops and click on Browse Files. Here you can select the ringtone which you have downloaded from your device. Here you can select the song which you just downloaded as an MP3. Once it is visible here, all you have to do is hold on it and drop it on the timeline. You can adjust the playhead and even trim the song according to your liking. And once you're satisfied with the result, just click on the top left icon and choose My Songs. What this will do is export the song from GarageBand into your files. Hold on it and click on Share. This will give you 3 options to choose from, and you have to choose the obvious one, which is the ringtone. So if you choose the ringtone, it will export the song as a ringtone, and you can even rename it so that it becomes easier for you to remember which song it is for each ringtone. So I am renaming it as ringtone right now, and you can click on Export. And once you click on Export, you can click on the Use Sound As and Standard Ringtone. This will set the standard ringtone of your iPhone with the song that you just downloaded. So to verify it, let's go into the settings. And let me open the sounds and haptics section here. You can see the last updated ringtone, which is the one we just created. And due to copyright issues, I can't play the song, but it will play the song that you just added as the MP3. That was a very quick video on how to set custom ringtones for your iPhone. It's a bit of a loop process, but at the end, you can get it done if you wanted to. So see you all in the next video. Thank you.